Instagram's next update is going to level up your audio editing for creators and your reels. Instagram has rolled out multi-audio tracks and new features which enable you to fade in and fade out your audio. Now we can start to hear some great audio mixes and some more sound design to go with our visuals. I'm going to give you some top tips and some use cases, but before that, I'm going to show you how to use the multi-track feature and how to fade in and out your audio. Tap plus at the bottom and then swipe to select reel. Tap next. It will ask you if you want to add suggested tracks, which you can do at this stage if you like. Otherwise, select next because we're going to want to add more tracks anyway. Tap edit video in the bottom left. Tap to add audio, then choose your audio. With the audio you choose, you can select certain sections. This will then take you back to the edit screen, and you can then tap another track and select something else and add that too. Now you want to trim your audio to make each one start and end where you want it to, and move it along the timeline. There are now two main ways you can transition between songs: an abrupt snap change, which means it cuts from one track to another track, or a brand new feature Instagram has introduced, which is fade in and fade out. If you're trying to align your audio, there is a snap feature where there are cut points. So this will help you easily align tracks in the right place. Now, if you want, you can add up to 10 audio tracks and fade them in and fade them out and cut them. Make sure you adjust your levels by making sure nothing is selected and then tapping volume. When there are audio tracks that we want to use that are only 6 or 10 or 15 seconds long, but our video is longer, we can combine those to make longer audio tracks to go with our visuals. If you want to do the fade in, fade out, then tap your track, then tap the button that says fade. Now you can tap and drag to have your audio fade in. And there it is. Imagine the audio mixes and creative soundtracks that will come from this update. Let me know in the comments which creators you think will really be able to set some trends with their audio mixes. It's now possible with the multi-track feature that you can cut and edit your audio, your ins, your outs, your stops, your starts, without actually coming out of the app. And this feature is great because it's actually in Reels, so it's gonna save you time. It's gonna mean that you can create better sound and audio to go with your visuals and not just rely on one track. Not only is this gonna save us time, but this is gonna help everybody, all creators, to level up their audio, which means we're gonna come across some great mixes, and we're definitely gonna find this one feature alone is gonna be the start of lots and lots of trends. Best practices. To get the most out of this feature, here are a few tips. Balance audio levels. If it jumps from one quiet track to a loud track, this can be off-putting, especially if the audience is wearing headphones. So try to make sure that you take a listen yourself first and adjust volume level where possible. Don't overuse. Just because there are 10, you don't have to use them all, especially in short-form videos. This could easily become a bit chaotic. Be selective. Create a cohesive sound design. Think about how one track ends and another begins. It might need to use pauses or a quick cut, or now you can use the fade in and fade out option. Now it's your turn to get creative with it. Give it a go and let me know how it goes. Tag me into anything that you give a try, any experiments, or tag me into any accounts that you think are really going to use this feature well. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, keep creating. Peace.